Hello everyone and welcome to Lava Carrot and welcome to my 100th video on this channel. Now I decided that we're going to be in Teardown and I'm just going to try and destroy as many things as possible. So let's just get started. There we go. Lovely. That's it, through the kids' playground. See if we can get that back up. I don't think we can. Could be worse. It could be an exploding piano. I think I might want to try and put that out. There's still a small fire. It don't matter. That's his problem. I think someone's trying to have a fire over here. Should I stop the fire or should I just... There we go. No, my question is, how long does it take for us to destroy this pickup truck? I think that long. Call the service van. Is this thing indestructible? Let's find out. There we go. I think we might want to stop that. Let me just try and stop it with a leaf blower. Yeah, I think it's no use. The lag is just absolutely insane. Yeah, I definitely bought this combine harvester. Oh, there goes the front window. I don't think this is going to do anything. Will you stop that? I think we might want to stay on this map because I think there's something that I want to do. And I'm going to do that now. Cue epic montage. Right then. 85 charges of C4. I'm going to change the time between the explosions to no seconds so that all of them go off at once. Now I'm going to run away and now we're going to get an epic view of the building destroying to commemorate 100 subscribers. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh. 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 Now we have full access to the basement. At least the garage survived. Was this a van? It was. There we go. There we go. Now that is way better. Nice and warm. Well, it's the end of the video now. I hope you did enjoy, and goodbye. I'll see you next time.